If you're into industrial control, networking is one of those features that you really need. So can you tell us a little bit about Brainboxes?
Sure, thanks, Bill. So Brainboxes manufacture industrial communication equipment. That includes Ethernet switch devices, remote I/O devices, and edge control devices. So if you need to monitor signals on the network, digital, analog, temperature, if you need to talk to other types of sensors like cameras, like motors, you can use our devices to connect to them, pull data from them, send the data over a network, analyze the data, or publish to the cloud.
Excellent. Well, let's take a closer look.
Okay, so we do a whole range of industrial Ethernet switch devices. This is a small selection of the range. We have everything from these 5-port switches, which you can actually find across the way from us on the First Robotics robots. They use this product extensively throughout their robots. But we also do a full range of industrial switches, including gigabit, including PoE, including fiber connectivity, high port counts and low port counts. And we also have this embeddable switch, which is excellent for space-constrained, power-constrained, weight-constrained systems, so UAVs, subsea vehicles, and drones. But this is our edge device, it's the BB400. It's based on a Raspberry Pi, so when I open it up, you can see inside we have this piece is the Raspberry Pi compute module. Now we've industrialized the Pi with all this additional industrial hardware. One of the key things is heat, so we have a custom heat sink just for the compute module. In addition, we've done lots of testing on airflow in different environments. We've added industrial interfaces to the device, so for example we have 2 networks, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, we have I/O, we have serial. You can plug in 2 different power supplies into the device, and if one fails, the other one will automatically take over. We have this mini UPS power supply. Again, if the power goes, the device will keep running all by itself using the backup power. We have a real-time clock on board. And we also have an Arduino, so you can control the I/O using deterministic protocol.
So that's some great hardware. What happens if you need some help using this?
Well, one of the things we really pride ourselves on is we have people who will answer the phone to technical questions. We have lifetime support for all of our products, and we have a lifetime warranty. So if anything goes wrong, even 10 years from now, you can talk to us, and if we think there's an issue, we'll replace the device for you. We think that's really important in the modern world. We think our customers value the support, and because we do everything in-house, we have total control over the process, and we feel that we can provide that with great confidence that the device will survive and perform its job brilliantly in the field.
Now, what are some of the challenges that you've been finding your customers running into that you've been able to solve?
So we find our devices all over the world. So when customers call us for tech support, then we often find out what the use case is. So we've seen them at the South Pole, used by the British Antarctic Survey. We've seen them in the Atacama Desert, used by the Max Planck Institute on their telescopes. We've seen them on conveyor systems in factories. We've seen them connected to AI detection systems. We've seen them in the weather systems used by the Federal Aviation Authority. So really broad, and it's always exciting for us to discover where our customers use our products.
Great. Well, thanks for filling us in on Brainboxes.